Right, hey guys, I thought you might like to see this rack that I've put in between my my fishing cooler and the seat. It's a whole heap of wasted space that I couldn't really use before. Now I can use it, and the best thing is that when I don't have to cover my reels because they're sitting behind me when I'm going out fishing. So it saves me getting so much salt spray on my reels, and as you can see, I've also got trolling, which obviously I would pack that away. And when I actually get out there, I'll then put my rods back to, obviously when it's trolling I put it there, but I go and put them in the fish ski holders. But I have everything at hand, so I've got my lip grab. I've got little, so because I go out deep sea fishing a lot, I will secure them down so that the waves don't knock them out. I can unclip my esky and the whole thing just comes off. It just has a Seadoo clip down here, and I'll show you how that works. So I've got my trolling rods. Get that over there. And I have this little beauty. This is for my live bait. It's saves it getting tangled up, so it's very frustrating. I don't know if you've ever had that. You've got your little jig out for your live bait, and well, there we go. And then you get out there and you're spending half an hour untangling it. That's how I've solved that, but I'll put that in another video. Also got all my knives and my knives and my pliers. I'll take them out, pliers. But I also have all of my lures sitting there nice and neatly. So the hooks don't bother me because they're all sitting inside of their own little spot. You can remove the esky. Just out of the way. I'll show you how so we didn't have to drill anything through the ski, and that was the sort of the bonus. I don't like drilling through my ski. Just wanted it to clip on using all the Seadoo mounts, so we can undo this here. Bring that out. I'll go over the other side. I've only got one hand because I'm using my phone, but bring this out. And this actually clips into the Seadoo mount down there. I'm not sure if you can see that. So once you lift it up to vertical, getting a hook in my hand and with one hand, right, and off we come. So no drilling the ski. I also can put my lanyards, so when I'm trolling I'll put a lanyard, so I'll use these lanyards here. Surfboard ropes. And it's a pretty neat and tidy little package. I've used it a couple of times so far. It's pretty good. I've made a few improvements with these little lures, and you can still got access to your esky. Well, you can see because I've taken it off, I don't, but yeah. Anyway guys, I'd be interested to see what you think. Cheers.